Look at that, look at that beautiful Audi A7 Quattro. Keyless entry, very nice. Leather, nice leather interior. Sunroof, moonroof, panoramic, steering controls, memory seats. This is A7. .8, very big boot. Electric as well. Better be, it's very heavy. There is a scratch right here. A couple of scratches around, but not really bad. Needs some touch up. Not an accident, but it's just parking scratches, yeah? So there's one here. Yeah. On the front left of the bumper. So really neat Audi A7 Quattro 2014. About 44,000, give or take.